Most people don't think twice before picking up a soda, an energy drink, a fruit juice, or even an alcoholic beverage. It's something we do out of habit, grabbing a drink on the way to work, ordering a soda with a meal, or sipping on an energy drink for a quick boost. But what if I told you that just one drink could set off a chain reaction in your body that leads to a diabetic crisis? Whether you already have diabetes, are pre-diabetic, or simply want to protect yourself from future health risks, understanding how these drinks affect your body is critical. Before we continue, I'd like to tell you about Diacelan, a powerful blend of 13 natural ingredients, each carefully selected for their proven ability to support healthy blood sugar levels, enhance insulin sensitivity, and promote overall wellness. You can read more on diacelan.com. Diabetes is often thought of as a slow-moving disease that takes years to develop, but the reality is that blood sugar spikes can happen instantly, and in some cases, just one poor drink choice can push someone into a medical emergency. Even for those who don't have diabetes, constantly consuming high-sugar beverages can push the body toward insulin resistance, a condition that often leads to type 2 diabetes. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into exactly how one drink can push your body into a diabetic crisis, which drinks are the most dangerous, and what you can do to make healthier choices. When you eat food, your body takes time to break it down, digest it, and absorb the nutrients. But when you drink something, the process is much faster because liquids don't require digestion the way solid foods do. Instead of being broken down in the stomach, sugary drinks enter the bloodstream almost immediately, leading to a rapid and sharp increase in blood sugar levels. For a healthy person, the body responds by releasing insulin, a hormone that helps move sugar from the blood into the cells where it can be used for energy. But when someone already has diabetes, prediabetes, or insulin resistance, this process doesn't work properly. Either the pancreas can't produce enough insulin, or the body cells no longer respond to insulin properly, leaving high amounts of sugar in the blood. When blood sugar stays too high for too long, it can lead to hyperglycemia, which can cause nerve damage, kidney disease, blindness, and an increased risk of heart attacks and strokes. If blood sugar levels get too high too quickly, a person can even experience a diabetic emergency that requires hospitalization. Even for those who don't have diabetes, frequent consumption of high sugar drinks forces the pancreas to work overtime, leading to insulin resistance over time. This increases the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, even in people who may appear otherwise healthy. Now that we understand how drinks affect blood sugar, let's look at some of the worst offenders, the beverages that can cause instant blood sugar spikes and contribute to long-term health issues. Soda is one of the most common and most dangerous beverages when it comes to blood sugar levels. A single can of soda contains around 39 grams of sugar, which is nearly 10 teaspoons of sugar in one sitting. This is more than the American Heart Association's recommended daily limit for added sugar in adults. When you drink soda, the high concentration of sugar floods your bloodstream instantly. In response, your body releases a huge amount of insulin to try to bring your blood sugar down. This process happens within minutes and can lead to a crash in blood sugar levels, making you feel tired, sluggish, and craving more sugar. Regular soda consumption is one of the leading causes of insulin resistance, and studies have shown that people who drink soda regularly are 1.5 times more likely to develop type 2 diabetes than those who don't. But the dangers don't stop there. The high fructose corn syrup found in many sodas has been linked to fatty liver disease, which further contributes to insulin resistance. Even switching to diet soda isn't necessarily a safe alternative. Artificial sweeteners have been shown to disrupt gut bacteria and may actually increase sugar cravings, leading to higher overall sugar consumption in the long run. If you have diabetes or are at risk, cutting out soda should be a top priority. Many people believe that fruit juice is a healthy alternative to soda, but the truth is that fruit juice can be just as bad, or even worse, for blood sugar levels. Even 100% fruit juice with no added sugar can cause a rapid spike in blood glucose because it lacks fiber. Let's take orange juice as an example. A standard glass of orange juice contains around 30 grams of sugar, which is close to the amount found in a can of soda. The reason whole fruit doesn't spike blood sugar in the same way is because the fiber in fruit slows down the absorption of sugar, giving your body time to process it properly. But when you remove the fiber and consume only the juice, your blood sugar spikes just as fast as if you were drinking a soda. Many store-bought fruit juices are even worse because they contain added sugars, syrups, and artificial sweeteners. Some popular juice brands have more sugar per serving than a can of Coke, yet they're often marketed as healthy. Frequent consumption of fruit juice has been linked to an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. If you enjoy fruit, it's always better to eat whole fruits rather than drinking juice. A better alternative? Infused water with slices of fruit or blended smoothies with fiber intact. Energy drinks are another major contributor to blood sugar spikes and insulin resistance. They are particularly dangerous because they contain both high amounts of sugar and high doses of caffeine, creating a double threat for blood sugar control. First, let's talk about the sugar content. Many energy drinks contain 30 to 50 grams of sugar per can, which is even higher than some sodas. This means that drinking an energy drink can cause an instant surge in blood sugar levels, leading to a huge insulin release and later a blood sugar crash. Now let's add caffeine into the mix. Caffeine has been shown to reduce insulin sensitivity, meaning that your body becomes less effective at processing sugar. So not only does an energy drink cause a sudden blood sugar spike, but it also makes it harder for your body to bring it back down. Furthermore, caffeine triggers the release of stress hormones like cortisol, which can further raise blood sugar levels. For people with diabetes or those at risk, energy drinks can be particularly dangerous, increasing the likelihood of diabetic emergencies. A better alternative to energy drinks, green tea or black coffee without sugar, can provide a natural boost of energy without the harmful effects of sugar overload. Many people start their day with a cup of coffee, believing it to be a harmless or even beneficial habit. While black coffee itself is virtually calorie-free and has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, the problem begins when we turn coffee into a dessert by adding flavored syrups, sweeteners, whipped cream, and milk-based additives. Drinks like frappuccinos, caramel macchiatos, and mochas are loaded with sugar, transforming a morning pick-me-up into a blood sugar disaster. A large caramel frappuccino from a well-known coffee chain can contain 60 to 70 grams of sugar, which is more than double the daily recommended limit for added sugars in adults. The same goes for flavored lattes, which often have 4 to 5 pumps of sugary syrup per serving, quickly elevating your blood glucose levels. The impact of these sugar-loaded coffees on the body is immediate and severe, especially for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. The high sugar content enters the bloodstream rapidly, causing a sharp spike in blood glucose. In response, the body floods the bloodstream with insulin to bring blood sugar levels down. However, for those with insulin resistance, the cells don't respond efficiently to insulin, leaving excess sugar circulating in the blood for longer periods of time. Over time, this leads to chronic high blood sugar, increased fat storage, and a higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Even in people without diabetes, frequently consuming high-sugar coffee drinks can contribute to weight gain, particularly around the abdominal area, which is a key risk factor for metabolic syndrome and diabetes. Another hidden danger in flavored coffee drinks is the caffeine-sugar combination. While caffeine in moderate amounts can improve alertness and boost metabolism, excessive caffeine intake can also lead to increased cortisol production. Cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone, has been shown to increase blood sugar levels, making it even more difficult for people with diabetes or insulin resistance to maintain stable glucose control. Additionally, caffeine can cause temporary insulin resistance, making it harder for the body to use insulin effectively. This means that not only does the sugar in flavored coffee cause a sudden glucose spike, but caffeine can prolong the elevated blood sugar levels by interfering with insulin function. Iced tea is often marketed as a healthier alternative to soda, but in reality, sweetened iced tea can be just as bad, or even worse, for blood sugar levels. Many bottled iced teas contain just as much sugar as a can of soda, and in some cases even more. A typical 16-ounce bottle of sweetened iced tea can have 40 to 50 grams of sugar, which is equivalent to 10 to 12 teaspoons of sugar in just one drink. Some larger bottles contain up to 70 grams of sugar, surpassing the daily recommended limit for added sugars in one sitting. While many people assume that tea is naturally healthy, The problem lies in the added sweeteners, syrups, and artificial flavors that turn iced tea into a diabetes-triggering drink. One of the biggest concerns with sweetened iced tea is how it affects blood sugar levels. Since tea is a liquid, the sugar in it is absorbed quickly into the bloodstream, leading to a rapid spike in blood glucose levels. For someone who already has insulin resistance or diabetes, this sudden influx of sugar can overwhelm the body's ability to regulate glucose properly, leading to dangerously high blood sugar levels. Over time, regularly drinking sweetened iced tea can worsen insulin resistance, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. Beyond blood sugar concerns, sweetened iced tea can also contribute to dehydration and kidney problems, especially when consumed in large quantities. Many brands of bottled tea contain high amounts of caffeine, which can act as a diuretic, causing the body to lose more water. Additionally, when the kidneys are exposed to constant spikes in blood sugar levels, they have to work harder to filter out excess glucose, which over time can lead to kidney damage. People with diabetes are already at a higher risk for kidney disease, making it even more important to avoid beverages that place extra strain on these vital organs. At the end of the day, what we drink is just as important as what we eat when it comes to maintaining stable blood sugar levels and overall health. Many people focus on cutting out sugary foods, but overlook the hidden dangers of high-sugar beverages. The truth is, these drinks are often even worse than sugary snacks because they flood the bloodstream with sugar instantly, leading to rapid spikes in blood glucose and insulin levels. Over time, frequent consumption of these beverages damages the body's ability to regulate blood sugar, increasing the risk of insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, obesity, heart disease, and other metabolic disorders. For individuals who already have diabetes, just one poorly chosen drink can push them into a diabetic crisis, leading to serious complications such as hyperglycemia, nerve damage, and kidney strain. But here's the good news: small changes can lead to big results. Cutting back on sodas, sugary coffees, sweetened teas, energy drinks, and alcohol doesn't mean you have to sacrifice enjoyment. There are plenty of delicious and healthier alternatives that allow you to stay hydrated and satisfied without putting your health at risk. Swapping sugary sodas for sparkling water, replacing sweetened coffee with black coffee or unsweetened lattes, and choosing natural herbal teas over sugar-filled iced teas can significantly reduce your sugar intake and help keep your blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. These small but consistent changes can improve your energy levels, mental clarity, and long-term health while lowering your risk of diabetes and related complications. Every choice you make, whether it's what you eat, what you drink, or how active you are, plays a role in your long-term well-being. While it may not seem like a big deal to grab a sugary coffee or an energy drink here and there, those habits add up over time, increasing your risk of serious health complications. The more you educate yourself about how these drinks affect your body, the easier it becomes to make smarter choices that protect your health and longevity. So before you take another sip of that sugar-laden beverage, ask yourself, is it worth the risk? Because when it comes to your health, making the right choices today can mean the difference between a future of vibrant health or chronic illness.